Alright, what is up YouTube? So today I'm going to be showing you a sick glitch on how to get inside the Maze Stadium. So first step, you're going to need a decent car like the Core T, like this car that I've got right now. Alright, so now, so first of all, you'll have to come to the Maze Stadium and along this road here, right there. And then now, you'll go up these stairs, then the second pair of stairs, and make a left right here. So then you're gonna head over to the pub. You're gonna have to get inside these double doors right here. So this is the tricky part. Alright, so once you're in, you'll be in here. Then you go through these double doors here, and then through this door, and you line yourself up to the soda machine. Then come out, and then you'll jump onto the soda machine and it'll take you up to the ceiling. Then you'll slowly go to the left, very slowly. So then you just fall and your screen might go red, but that's okay. Then you'll just see walls all around and you'll just go through one wall. And then pretty much you're inside the Maze Stadium after that. And there you have it, you're inside the Maze Stadium. So that's actually a really pretty cool glitch. Not a lot of people know about this, and make sure you share this. I want people to know about this. Make sure you drop a like if you think this is cool. It's pretty awesome. Make sure you do not go under these white things, because if you do, you just freeze. The game will freeze and you'll have to start it all over. And there is no way you can get back out. You'll have to end the game to get out of here. And make sure you check out my previous videos. So until next time, peace.